We are gonna play some lightning cash. Best bet. Minimum denom is 10 cents, $5 bet. Get our volume up. Whoop. It is 50 lines. You need 6 of those lightning cash symbols. Or I think the horseshoe is our free games. Horses are wild. I got our bet back. We'll take it.
5 more.
Yep, so 5 more of those. We need 6 total. Horse.
$100 mini.
I know. The mini's 100 minus 500 majors at 6,600.
4 more. One more.
Oh, it just went by.
Pull it up. Two more. Three.
Oh, it's gonna mess with us now.
2 more. 5 more. Come on.
King.
Come on.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, nice ones in the back. They need to land them up at the
Come
front.
on.
And then in the back also.
We want them in the front, the back, everywhere.
Yep.
2 more.
One more.
Darn it. No mixing.
Yeah, no mixing and
Wild?
matching.
Wild? Is that 5 of a kind of him?
Yeah. Maybe. No.
Oh, heck yeah.
$27.
We're back at it.
4
Four
more.
more.
Hey.
Stop. You did not just do that. Come on, best bet. Let's go.
I'm gonna pay you. That's what it said.
Oh gosh, didn't even know what to ask for.
One more.
There we go. Free games. 10. Heck yeah. All right, let's get that bonus and a bonus, guys. All right, guys, best bet. Lightning cash. Free games. Let's go. We want a bonus in the bonus or wilds all the way.
Come on.
Horses are wild.
There we go.
There we go.
Missed it in the back. It's not bad though. Nice little
Coin show. All right, let's go. Bonus and a bonus. 5 more.
Come on.
4.
1 more.
Come on.
Where's all my wilds? Lady.
She's the best symbol. 5 of a kind.
5 of a kind. 5 of a kind.
750, 750, 750. All the lines are 750.
So that'd be pretty. Yeah, there you go.
Woohoo! Come on, bonus and a bonus.
Fruit sugar.
Come on.
Come on. Nothing there.
Let's go. All right, 2 more spins.
All right, 3 sugar. 1 more. There you go. You get 10.
5 more games. 5. I'll take it.
Let's get the bonus and the bonus.
Let's go. Bonus and the bonus. 5 more.
Nothing.
Come on. 5.
Lady.
Her. Oh, blocked by the binoculars. Go, baby. 4 more.
3 more.
4 more. 2. Darn it.
All right, 2 more games.
Okay.
Come on. Lady. 2.
2. Ah, we got in it. All right, so 10s and $5. All right, let's go.
Drop a word.
Mini, minor, major, guys. Go ahead and start it.
1 word.
Oh, don't do that.
1 word. There you
50
go.
bucks?
1 more of those.
Let's do it.
There you go.
I saw the mini a little bit.
Keep it alive. 1 more. 1 more.
Brand is 51,000.
All right, bunch of 5s. 1 more big one.
Come on, give us another 50. There we go.
Get it.
Come on.
Let's spin, keep live. This one up here.
Oh. Okay, let's see what we got.
We still have one more spin and
Yep.
the Ione's down. $130.
All right, one more spin. Let's go. One more.
One more.
Two. Darn it. 340.
Not bad.
All right, guys, let's do a few backup spins.
Two more.
Come on.
Two more.
Get it, get it.
Two more.
Two more.
One more.
Oh, I thought we were gonna do it again. Three. $100. Come on. Five more. Five. Three. Come on, come on.
All right.
What's up?
I was just gonna say, do you want to take it right now and go to one of those other ones?
Let's do Tiki Fire. Here you go. Take it over there. All right, guys. I am on Lightning Cash Tiki Fire. Her husband got stuck talking to someone. I put in $20. Second spin. 3 games. Let's go. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Holy crap-a-doodles. I think that might be big. It is moving fast, y'all. Let's see what we got. Holy shit. Oh my god. 2 more spins. Re-trigger. Holy macaroni. Oh my god. He is gonna have to beep out that bad word. Oh my god. Get it, get it, get it. Let's do it one more time. Come on, come on. Come on. Multiply, multiply. Another coin show. Another 119. Get it, get it, get it. Brian, look at this. I put in $20 that I had in my pocket. Holy crap, I got it all on video. And a bad word.
Another bad word.
4 more, 4 more, 4 more, 4 more. Last spin, y'all.
Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Look at those multipliers. Brian, I only put in $20 and it was my second spin on a $5 bet. Holy crap, y'all. Guys, welcome back. That is my spin right there. Husband got stuck talking to someone. I came into the high limit room. I put in $20 and did 2 spins. On my second spin, I got into 3 games. I re-triggered and I literally just made that much. So we're gonna do a few more and see what this game's got.
4 more.
I got 3 of those and re-triggered with 4.
Go ahead. I'm gonna take a picture.
Come on, come on, come on.
All right.
5 more.
3 more.
3. So the mini's 100, the minor's 5, and the major is 50 for 100.
Almost got a hand pay with that
Almost.
one.
Almost.
And the card.
I don't have it, you do.
Never. Alright, you just go. I'll get it.
Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, lightning cash.
Yeah.
5 more,
5 more.
3.
Come on. Two more, two more, two more. 5 more.
4 more.
3,
3,
1.
1. Oh, man, almost.
3 more. 3 more.
Ooh, you're teasing those. Four more.
Four, three.
Three.
Four more, two more. Come on, machine. Well, that was a good spin.
Come on, come on.
That guy stopped me and
So
was talking to
freaking
me, and I was
wild.
trying to get out of there. So he's talking about roulette, like betting on roulette and a way to bet on roulette and digital roulette. And I was like,
And
we're
look,
not.
you just put in $20 and you win.
I was like,
1100.
well, right now we're just focusing on slot machines. Like, maybe
Come
once,
on, 5 more, 3. Oi, oi, oi.
once we grow our audience and we can start doing other things, I wouldn't mind doing other stuff. But
Oh my God, that was so freaking funny, man. 5
sad I
more.
came in here and missed it though. But
It's on video.
4 more. But if
I recorded as soon as I hit the bonus.
but
Come on,
if
2 more, 2 more.
if I was there, probably may not have happened. So
We probably wouldn't have came onto
yeah,
the machine.
things happen for a reason.
Come on, come on, come on. Almost got it.
Come on.
Did you drink?
No.
No, I was here. Get it, get it.
My time now is 1:59, and I'm looking for my next lucky winner,
Come on.
John Gott.
$2.
John Gott.
Two more.
You have 3 minutes to come to the promotion center.
Two more.
Come on, two.
Please bring
Two
with
of
you
something.
your Caesar's Rewards card and your ID.
5 more.
Again,
Come on,
that
come
is John Gott. Your 3 minutes starts
2 more.
now.
Come
I
on,
had to try.
Volcano. Show back up.
I went to $10.
Oh,
One more. Oh, I just went by. It was right there.
Come on. 4 more. 3. 5 more. 2 more. Volcanoes?
I don't know how much you want to play. It's
2 more. Oh, I don't know. 5 more.
Come on. I was hoping to get in the lightning cash bonus.
Well, let's see if we can get into it.
Get it.
4 more? 4 more?
5 more. Come on.
John Gott, you still
Let's go,
have
let's
2
go.
minutes to come
Wow.
and claim your
Here we go.
$700
I had a coin show and everything, and I was like, okay, it's going really fast. It's going really fast. And yeah, I said, let's hit the
2 more.
button.
2 more. We
2
need
more
more of those
volcanoes.
guys,
Come
yeah.
on, guys. Wilds.
3
3.
more.
Oi.
4 more.
4 more. No mixing. Come on. 5
5 more. Right now. So it's lightning links. Lightning links. Right now. 5 of them. 6 of them. 6 of them. Why did I say 5?
Don't know. Just play it to 8.
Four more.
Oh, come on. Tiki Fire, let's do this.
Yeah. 2 more.
5 of a kind? No, it doesn't count that one.
$3. 2 more. 2 more.
I have got to get a drink. My throat is so dry.
Come on.
All right, what do you want to do?
We could play to 7. I don't care. I would like to get a lightning cash one. Why don't you order one? Five
5
more.
more. 3. Oh,
That's 5.
mean.
5 more.
5. Oh, that's $250.
Yeah, be nice. Come on. 1 more.
locked it too.
Yep. Two more.
I got it in the bonus, and it was 2 times 2 times 2 times 2.
Yeah, that's
more.
what they were saying this morning about this game in the bonus. It's you get the multipliers.
Yeah, your tikis turn into 2 X's.
That's what he's saying. It's kind of hard though to get into
5.
the bonus. 5 more. Come on. 4 more.
4 more. Come on. 3. 1. Shoot.
I thought that was it.
Me
Felt
too.
really good there. Come on. All the way.
4 more. 2
more.
All right, stop tricking me with that.
2 more.
1 more. Oh, you're killing me now. You're killing me.
5 more. 2 more. There's 4. 2 more. Volcano, 1 more.
Wow. There we go, a little hit. Good, and you? No, can we just get another diet when you have a chance? 431, thank you.
All right. Five more. 2 more. Two more.
1 more. Ah, come on.
5 more.
Okay, what do you want to do?
You can go. Let's try to get one. If you walk out with 600, you're up, what, $600?
580. I only put 20 bucks in. Oh my gosh, that was crazy ridiculous.
I'd like to get that one. 4 more. 2 more. 2 more. Yeah, but it's probably on like cooldown right now. 2 more. 450. 4 more. 4 more. 4. Come on. 2 more.
Ah, come on.
Come on.
5 more. It was a lot nicer when it said 1100.
Yeah. It's taking a little bit back now.
All right, next Lucky Sevens winner is Susan Wright.
Nope.
Susan Wright, who has 3 minutes to
50
report to the promotions
2 more,
area to
2
claim
more,
your
2 more.
$700 in free play.
Volcanoes.
Susan
4 more.
Wright.
4 more.
Come
You have
on.
3 minutes to report to the promotions area to
Thank
claim
you.
your $700 in free play.
All right. I say we get
I
up.
say that's it, yep. Get up at 6. Three more.
Three more.
Shoot, that was 100, 250. Aww. All right, let's go, guys. That is Lightning Cash, Tiki Fire. I sat down with a $20 bill while the husband was talking with someone. Second spin, got into a bonus. Got a retrigger, walking up 600.